ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तम् स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। We have completed first shloka in the third chapter. Second shloka we have to see. Introduction we had already seen. Tattvamasi Mahavakya is going to reveal Avakyartha. So, how that Avakyartha means Brahma will be revealed, which is beyond speech and mind. Gir manasoho srutim na eti. Jnani. Jnani is Brahma Swarupa. Yasmat tatpadam prakritartham syat tvam padam pratyagatmani नीलोत्पलवदेताभ्याम दुःख्यनात्मत्ववारणे तत्पदं प्रकृतार्थं स्यात् त्वं पदं प्रत्यगात्मनि नीलोत्पलवदेताभ्यां दुःख्यनात्मत्ववारणे। तत्पदं प्रकृतार्थं स्यात्। प्रकृतो अर्थो यस्य सह प्रकृतार्थः। प्रकृत अर्थ इज ब्रह्म. सो तत्पदम ब्रह्मणि स्यात्. त्वं पदम प्रत्यगात्मनि स्यात्. तत्पद is for Brahma. Tatpada's Vishaya is Brahma. Okay. Vishaya Saptami. Tvam Pada's Vishaya is Pratyagatma. How? Nilotpalavat. This is the Drishtanta. In Tika it is explained in basic how Nilapada and Utpalapada. Nila will do Vyavritti of all Nila Vyatirikta Utpala. Utpala Pada will do Vyavritti of all Utpala Vyatirikta Padartha. So Nila Vyatirikta Guna Vyavritti will happen through Nila, and Utpala Vyatirikta Padartha Vyavritti will happen through Utpala. So then you end up with Nila and Utpala. So Nila Utpalavat. So we should understand Tatpada and Twampada. They are like Nila and Utpala. Etabhyam. Etabhyam Tattvam Padabhyam. Dukhi Anatmatva Varane. So, Etabhyam Padabhyam Dukhi Anatmatva Varane Syatam. Dukhitva Varanam Cha Anatmatva Varanam. Iti दुःखी अनात्मत्व वारणे. So dukkitvancha anatmatvancha. Dukkitva varanam will happen through Brahmapada in Pratyagatma. Dukkitva varana will happen using Brahma in Pratyagatma. Because in Pratyagatma, I have Dukkha Anubhava. I am Dukhi in this way. And Anatmatva Varanam is Nivritti. Anatmatva Nivritti will happen in Brahma through Tvam-pada, Pratyagatma. In Brahma, I have the Buddhi, it is something else, different from me, away from me. It is Paroksha. So, Anatmatva Varanam will happen in Tat-pada, through Tvam-pada. Dukkhitva Varana will happen in Tvam-pada, through Tat-pada. Just like Nilotpalavat. So, etabhyam padabhyam dukhi anatmatva varane syatam. Tika. Tattvamasi vakye. Tatpadam, up to this we had already seen, correct? In Tika.
Yes,
Tattvamasi vakye tatpadam viditsita prakrita advitiya brahmaparam. Tvam padam cha uddishyamane pratyagatmani vartate. This is the shloka arthana. In Tattvamasi Mahavakya, Tatpada is viditsita. Means it is vidheya. Prakrita. What is the prakrita? Advitiya brahmaparam. Tatpadam. Tvam is uddishyamana. One is vidhiyamana, another is uddishyamana. Uddishyamana or uddeshya is what is already known. Vidheya is unknown. Tvam pratyagatmani vartate. Uddishyamane pratyagatmani vartate. Tatascha. Etabhyam dvabhyam. By these two, अन्योन्य नियम्य नियामकतया अवस्थिताभ्याम. Mutually they are niyamya niyamaka. They are controlling each other. So I think I had mentioned this last time. They govern each other. Tatpada means it is pada. Jiva is not controlling Ishvara. Tatpada or Tvam pada is controlling Tatpada. Niyamya niyamakataya avasthitabhyam. Viditsita Brahma Bhavad eva pratyagatmani dukkhitvam. By this Viditsita Brahma Bhava, the Vidhanam of Brahma Bhava, by that alone, in Pratyagatma, Dukkhitva will be eliminated. Anatmano Badhitatvacha Brahmano Anatmatvam cha Vyavartate. And Anatma is Badhita, therefore Brahma, which is Abadhita, is not different from me. What is different from me is Mithya. Brahma is not Badhita. Brahma is not Mithya. Therefore, I am Brahma. Yatha Neelam Utpalam iti ukte Utpalasya Anilatvam Neelasya Anutpalatvam cha Vyavartate. Mutually, how they remove things. When it is said Neelam Utpalam, Utpalasya Anilatvam. In Utpala, if there is anything other than Neela, all those Utpalas are out. Nilasya anutpalatvam. And when we say Nila, any Nila Padartha which is not Utpala is also eliminated. Like that, when Tat and Tvam are next to each other, Tat means infinite, Tvam means I. So that infinite aspect of Tat will remove the finite aspect of Jiva, Parichinna. Dukhitva means Parichinna. And the Tvam Pada has Aparokshatva. Brahma has Parokshatva. So Aparokshatva of Tvam will remove Parokshatva of Brahma. न तत्र देश काल साधनांतरादि अपेक्षा तद्वद इहापि इत्याह. So just as in Nilam Utpalam, you don't have to be in specific desha, specific kala, doing some other specific sadhana, then you will get knowledge. If you understand the Vakya, you will get the knowledge. Acharya says here, Tadvad ihapi. If you know how to understand Tattvamasi, you don't need any other desha, kala, sadhanantara, pramanantara, nothing. In this way, jnanam should take place. Now, how to do the Vakyartha understanding? So that topic he takes up. Loke gamanaya dandena iti भिन्न विभक्ति निर्दिष्टानाम अन्वय लक्षणों भेदो वाक्यार्थो नीलम उत्पलम इति अभिन्न विभक्ति निर्दिष्टानाम संसर्गात्मकश्च इति वाक्यार्थो द्विविध एव दृश्यते. न तु तद अतिरिक्त अखंडैक रसता लक्षणो वर्तते. He says, you are saying this Tattvamasi Mahavakya will give Akhandaika Rasa Jnanam. We saw this in the introduction. Okay, here it is not given. In general, when there is Samanadikaranyam, when there is Akhandaika Rasa, or Vedanta says Brahma is Akhandaika Rasa Swarupam. So Purvapaksha says in Loka, Gam Dandena Anaya. This is Bhinna Vibhakti Nirdishtanam Padanam Anvaya. Gam is what Vibhakti?
Dvitiya ekavachan.
Dvitiya. Dandena?
Tritiya.
So Dvitiya, Tritiya and Kriyapada iti Anaya. So Bhinna Vibhakti Nirdishtanam Anvaya. There Anvaya is done. This is Bhed Vakyartha. Sometimes this is also called Sansarga Vakyartha. And the second one is Nilam Utpalam. Iti Abhinna Vibhakti Nirdishtana. Nilam and Utpalam has Samana Vibhakti. Nirdishtanam. Sansargatmakascha Vakyartha. This is, so he calls Gam Dandena Anaya as Bheda Vakyartha. Nilam Utpalam as Sansarga Vakyartha. Vivida eva drishyate. Natu tad atirikta, other than these two kinds of statements, He said there are no other statements which talk about अखंड रस वस्तु. अखंड रसता लक्षणो वाक्यार्थो न वर्तते. Then tat katham tad abhiprayena avakyarthatam प्रतिपद्यते. You said this Brahma Tattvamasi Mahavakya will reveal avakyartha. Avakyartha means, see, Gam Dandena Anaya, it has a Vakya. This is a Vakya. It has Vakyartha. Neelam Utpalam is a Vakya. It has Vakyartha. Tattvamasi is a Vakya. What it reveals is beyond words. Therefore, it is not Vakyartha. It is Avakyartha. So, Purvapaksha says, Katham tad abhiprayena avakyarthatam pratipadyate iti uchyate ityasankya. Tat pratipadaitum pratipatti saukaryaya prathamam tavat uttara shlokaha sutra sthaniya upanyasyata ityaha. So, how this Tattvamasi Mahavakya is going to produce the Jnanam Brahma, means I am Brahma, which is Avakyartha. Tat Pratipadaitum, to do that Pratipadanam, Pratipatti Saukaryaya, for easy understanding. First, he gives the entire teaching of this chapter or Tattvamasi Mahavakya in a Sutra Shloka. Prathamam tavad Uttara Shlokaha Sutra Sthaniya Upanyasyate. Sutra Sthaniya Shloka is there. Evam Kritanvaya Vyatirekau Vakyadeva Avakyartham Pratipadyata iti uktam ataha iti uktam atas tad vyakyanaya sutropanyasah. Evam, in this way, Kritanvaya Vyatireko Samas Vigraha how will you do Samas Vigraha?
अन्वयश्च व्यतिरेकश्च अन्वय व्यतिरेकौ कृतौ अन्वय व्यतिरेकौ कृतान्वय व्यतिरेकौ
Krutau Anvaya Vyatirekau Yena Saha Krutau Anvaya Vyatirekau Yena Purushana, that person who has done Anvaya Vyatireka. That person is called Kritanvaya Vyatireka. So the one who has done Anvaya Vyatireka, Vakyad eva avakyartham pratipadyate. Just by listening to Mahavakya, he will understand I am Brahma. Who will understand? Only that person who has done Anvaya Vyatireka. Therefore, Anvaya Vyatireka is most important sadhana. So, until people understand, the sadhana of Vedanta is very different. Vedanta sadhana is not where you are going and what you are doing. Vedanta sadhana is vichara, and that vichara is Anvaya Vyatireka vichara, not any other kind. So Sureshwaracharya himself has said, Anvaya Vyatirekadi Chintanam va tapo bhavet. What is tapaha? Krichra Chandrayana is also tapa. Some upavasa, going to places, pilgrimage, this, that, is all tapaha. Indriya Nigraha, Mano Nigraha is also tapa. Chaturmasya, Shravan, Somvar, fasting, chanting, all of them is tapa. But Anvaya Vyatirekadi Chintanam is what is most important. In Tat, whose Anvaya is there, whose Vyatireka is there. In Tvam, means in I, whose Anvaya is there, Vyatireka is there. If this Anvaya Vyatireka is done, Aham Brahmeti Vakyartha Bodhaya Alamidam Yata. This Anvaya Vyatireka is enough to get Aham Brahmasmi Jnana. Aham Brahmeti Vakyartha Bodhaya Alamidam Yata. So, Anvaya Vyatireka Chintanam, if a person can do, which is tapas, then through Mahavakya alone, he will understand Avakyartha. So, he makes it very clear what is sadhana, mukhya sadhana. If you are a mukhya adhikari, this is your sadhana. If you are gauna adhikari or manda madhyam adhikari, other sadhanas, one has to do until mind is ready for Anvaya Vyatireka. Because from childhood we have been told in this way, doing something is sadhana. Thinking is not main sadhana. So people are trained in this way only. I have to do something. I cannot sit quiet. So Sutra Upanyasa Samanadikaranyancha Visheshana Visheshyata Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha Padartha Pratyagatmanam Samanadikaranyancha Visheshana Visheshyata Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha Padartha Pratyagatmanam. So this shloka everybody should memorize. How to understand this shloka? Samanadikaranyam. What is Samanadikaranyam?
भिन्न प्रवृत्ति निमित्तानां शब्दानां एकस्मिन् अर्थे तात्पर्य संबंधः.
भिन्न प्रकृति निमित्तानां शब्दानां एकस्मिन् अर्थे तात्पर्यम. That is also enough. तात्पर्य संबंध. Samanadikaranyam. Pravritti nimitta. If I say Neelam Utpalam, they have Samanadikaranya or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, they have. Because they have Bhinna Pravritti Nimitta. If it is said Ghataha Kalashaha, then they don't have Bhinna Pravritti Nimitta. So, Ghataha Kalashaha is Samanadikaranyam.
No.
No, sir.
So, you should understand Samanadikaranyam requires Veda in Pravritti Nimitta. This is main thing. Samanadikaranyanja Visheshana Visheshyata and Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. Padartha Pratyagatmanam is Shashti Bahuvachan. So Padayoho Samanadikaranyam, Padarthayoho Visheshana Visheshyata. Pratyagatmano Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. In this way, you have to understand this shloka. So the prakriya is like this, is given here. Tattvamas, tika. Tattwamasyadi mahavakyastha padadharmaha samanadikaranyam prathamam bhavat. In Tattwamasyadi vakya, Tatpada and Tvam are there. So, pada dharma. The two padas, their dharma, padas have samanadikaranya. Tatpada, Tvam. Just pada. Pada has samanadikaranya. Sati cha tasmin samanadikaranye. वाच्य पदार्थयोः परस्पर विशेषण विशेष्य भावेन अन्वयः स्यात्. When they have samanadikaranya, then their vachyartha, tatpada vachyartha, tvam-pada vachyartha, which is otherwise known as tat-tvam padartha. Tat-padartha, tvam-padartha. Tayoho, between them there is visheshana visheshya bhavena anvayah syat. So one will try to do visheshya visheshana bhavena anvaya. When that doesn't work, because here in Nila Utpala visheshana visheshya bhava is possible. In Tatpada Tvam-pada, Tatpada becoming Visheshana of Tvam-pada, or Tvam-pada becoming Visheshana of Tatpada, the Jnanam will not take place. Because Tvam-pada, if it is Visheshana of Tat, Tat is Visheshya, Tvam is Visheshana. Parichinna Visheshana of Aparichinna Visheshya will result in only Parichinna Vastu. Similarly, Parichinna Visheshya and Aparichinna Visheshana, Tat becoming Visheshana of Tvam, then also the Padartha will be Parichinna only. And therefore, there is a virodha, because mutually they are contradicting each other. See, Neelam and Utpalam, they don't contradict each other. But if I say Neelam Raktam or Neelam Shvetam, they are opposed to each other. One is black, another is white. It is like saying Sarvajnatva, Alpajnatva, Sarvashakti, Alpashakti. There is virodha between them. Aparichinna, Parichinna, Akarta, Karta, Swatantra, Aswatantra, like this. So, Tasmin, Saticha Tasmin Virodha Spurtau, Vachya Padarthayor, Vakya Tatparya Vishayasya cha, Pratyagatmano, Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. Vachya Padarthayor, Vakya Tatparya Vishayasya cha, between the two Vachyartha, Tat Padartha Vachyartha, Tvam Padartha Vachyartha, Vachya Padarthayor, Vakya Tatparya Vishayasya cha. And what is the Tatparya Vishaya of the Vakya? Tatparya Vishaya of the Vakya is Brahma or Pratyagatma. So Pratyagatmano Shashti. So Tatparya Vishayasya, Vakya Tatparya Vishayasya Pratyagatmana. Between them there is Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. Between what and what? The two Vachyartha, Tattvam, Vachyartha and Pratyagatma. So the two Vachyarthas are Lakshana. Pratyagatma is Lakshya, which is Brahma. So between them there is Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. Evam cha, यथा क्रमेण पद तदर्थ प्रत्यगात्मनां सामानाधिकरण्यं विशेषण विशेष्यता लक्ष्य लक्षण संबंधश्च भवति इत्यर्थः. In this way, यथा क्रमेण, according to the sequence, पद सामानाधिकरण्यं तदर्थ विशेषण विशेष्यता प्रत्यगात्मा लक्ष्य लक्षण संबंध ityartha. So this prakriya he is going to elaborate, but in a very different way than how generally we study in like Vedanta Sara or in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara. It will come now. It is a different kind of prakriya. It's simpler. Here he puts because the Siddhi Grantha, he has to explain in that. Now, just to understand, when we say Tad Pada Vachyartha and Tvam Pada Vachyartha, what is Tad Pada Vachyartha?
Ishvara.
Ishvara.
Means what is included in Ishvara. If you see
Maya Vikshit.
who is sitting in the mandir,
Sarvajñatva, Sarveshwaratva, Aparichit.
somebody said Maya Vishishta Chaitanya.
Maheshwar. Maya Vishishta.
Maya Vishishta Chaitanya.
Jagat Karanam.
I am using these words because it should be clear to you how it will point to Atma. When you see this pata is Lakshana. Pratyagatma is Lakshya. Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha, in this way it should point to me. Now, how will I understand Pada is Lakshana? Pratyagatma is Lakshya, that is clear. Or I see Chaitra. I see a mosquito in my room. And I should understand that is Lakshana for Pratyagatma, which is Lakshya. So how to understand this? If our understanding remains as some textual words and we think I have understood everything. You may have understood what is written there, but it is not enough to trigger your nididhyasan process. So, samashti, sthula, sukshma, karana, prapancha, upahita chaitanya or vishishta chaitanya, samashti, sthula, sukshma, karana. So, when I see any part of prapancha, which is sthula prapancha, then tad vishishta chaitanya is Ishvara, is tatpada vachyartha. In other words, the whole world that I see around me all the time is tatpada vachyartha. This is how I have to remind myself. I am around tatpada vachyartha. And it is reminding me of the Lakshya, Pratyagatma. Then there is Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. In the same way, this Panchakosha, so Panchakosha, Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, Sharira, Vishishta Chaitanya, is Tvam Pada Vachyartha. So when I see myself, it should remind me of Chaitanya, Pratyak Chaitanya. When I see the world, it should remind me of Pratyak Chaitanya. This, when it becomes Dridha, this is Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. So if I have already done enough preparation before, Mahavakya will produce Jnanam, Aham Brahmasmi, I will be already Nishtha, Brahmanishtha. And if I see world around and I think it is world and it is the source of joy and sorrow and this and that, and some things I want to get rid of and some things I want to add, then it is not occurring to me that this is Tatpada Vachyartha. So then it will not have the capacity or ability to shift my attention to Pratyagatma. Because that Sambandha is not there. Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha has not been cultivated yet in my buddhi. And if it is there, like anything I see, what is that? Dehabhimane galite Vijñate Paramatmani. Then Yatra Yatra Manoyati Tatra Tatra Samadhaya. Then Dehabhimane is Galita. So this prakriya we have to do for Dehabhimana reduction. This Nididhyasana. In Deha, Atma Buddhi is very strong. It doesn't go. Study is very good. We can study, we can understand, we can memorize some lines here, there, quote. That is good. Deha Atma Buddhi doesn't go. Jagati Satyatva Buddhi doesn't go. For that, you have to do good Chintanam, Nididhyasana. When that has happened, then Dehabhimane Galite. Dehabhimana will go. Paramatmani Vijñate. Then Yatra Yatra Manoyati Tatra Tatra Samadhi. Because I have already understood there is Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha. And now you see this Pata. This Pata is Vachyartha of Tatpada. Yes? It is also
Yes.
part of Tatpada Vachyartha. Where is Tatpada Lakshyartha?
In the same place where there is Vachya.
Where the Adhyasa is, there itself Adhisthana is. Where Sarpa is, there Rajju is. That Rajju I am. That Adhishthanam I am. So that means I am everywhere. I am everything. So Yatra Yatra Manoyati, wherever mind goes, Tatra Tatra Samadhaya. There itself mind can settle. There is Samadhanam there itself. So in this way you should understand this Lakshya Lakshana Sambandha, Pratyagatma, etc. Now on this, first he is going to bring objection with sannyasa. Whether sannyasa is vidhi or not. From there he is going to begin. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.